In 2023, these top researchers found out by accident that China was doing many more therapies than anyone else had imagined. And China built biobanks full of umbilical cords that could be used later, either by the patient or donated to others. They spent a year crunching the numbers and realized that China was far ahead of everyone else. This table here is a good summary. In 2023, China recorded 9 million live births. India was the top in the world, growing by 24 million. The United States had 3.6 million babies born. And it seems on the surface that China is collecting more umbilical tissue than the US by virtue of its larger population. 270,000 umbilical cords were banked in China compared to 100,000 in the United States. But it's the bottom number that shocked these researchers. China's not just locking up their umbilical tissues, they're using them right away in clinical applications. This report is from a conference in Guangdong province. They discussed how their labs were using umbilical cord stem cells on leukemia, autism, brain damage, and immune diseases. As of January 2025, China had about half of the world's treatments using umbilical stem cells to date. 40,000 cases out of 85,000. Possibilities are huge, and the FDA is approving some Chinese companies for trials of drugs that are derived from umbilical stem cells for drugs that can be sold in the United States. XL Smart is going after Parkinson's, ALS, and spinal cord injuries. If these trials go well, those therapies may be ready for the American market in about 10 years.